What's up, guys? So here's another day of trading, guys. I did take some positions today, as you guys can see. Did trade the 15-minute orb, which is the first trade I always take. This was the top of the range. This is the bottom. It broke above. I went long, guys. As soon as I went up here, I moved my stop loss to basically a little bit in profit, then got stopped out. Here, guys, I didn't follow my rules. This should have been a profitable trade. Here, I went short. But like I said, completely did not follow my rules, guys. I should have waited for it to retest this VWAP, and look at this, guys. Missed out on a beautiful trade. This is literally bread and butter, like I've been explaining. 1 minute VWAP. I got lucky enough not to, lose any money on this, guys. As soon as I see dump, I move my stop loss to break even because I did know that it can easily pop up because we are at 1 minute VWAP, and that's exactly what happened, guys. So I kind of messed up. I'm not following my plan here. And that's what happens, guys. So here, guys, as you guys can see, we're actually breaking below the 1 minute VWAP now. So I was looking to go long. So I'm just going to keep watching. I'm going to see what happens. I think if this thing continues breaking below and it breaks below this level here, I think we're going to continue getting more downside movement, especially if we break below this level, guys. I think we're just going to keep going lower for sure. So these are definitely the two levels I want to be looking at. So if it breaks below here, guys, I think it's going to easily come down here. And if it breaks below here, guys, I think can easily just keep going down all the way down here. So we're going to keep watching, see what happens. And if I take a trade, guys, I will be screen recording it. All right, guys, it does look like we're breaking below those levels pretty hard, guys. So I think this is going to have some more down movement, but I don't want to be getting in at this level. And also, guys, here is the account status. So we're super close to getting this thing funded, guys. We're like $700 away. No losing days on this account so far. So hopefully today, guys, we can catch a nice trade and we might even get funded today. So let's see. But there you go, guys. Look at that big move there. This would have been a nice short. This is actually what I was looking for over here, guys. This is why I went short. I thought it was going to continue breaking. Obviously it didn't. And then here is a break. So this, I should have taken this there, but I mean, it is what it is. This is literally the reality of trading, guys. This is literally why I'm making these videos, because stuff like this is literally the reality of trading, guys. Literally missed out on locking in some profits here, missed out on making profits here by not following my rules, and also here, guys, missed out by not executing on the trade when I was literally looking at the same thing as this, guys. So yeah, a lot of missed opportunities today. You're gonna have some of those days, but it looks like the market is completely shifting. So I guess my next move, guys, is I want this thing pull back to the VWAP or anywhere these EMAs, and once I see some rejection off this area here, off these EMAs and VWAP, I'm gonna go short, guys. Because if we do enter here, guys, say we enter at 200, comes down to like 100, easy 100-point move, guys. So let's see if we can make it happen here. If we could get 2 contracts and get a 100-point move, guys, we get funded today. So hopefully we can make that happen. Check it out, guys. So the market is dropping below those levels that I said are going to drop, and we're dropping pretty hard. So I don't want to get into this trade unless I see it pull back to these levels, guys. So that's what I'm going to be patient for. This thing can easily just continue dropping, though, but I don't like hopping in when it's dropping this hard. So just be patient, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna force any trades. All right, guys. So I missed out on so many good trades today, and I just want to come out here and say I blame myself, and I hope you guys take some notes on this. And I feel like the reason why I'm doing so bad today compared to every other day when I've been doing so good is honestly, guys. Yesterday I went out and I got drunk, and I kind of slept in a little late. Didn't wake up 100%. So, my brain wasn't working 100%. So I just want to let you guys know that if you actually want to become profitable, if you actually want to lock into something, guys, I think definitely no drugs, no drinking, no vices. Kind of try to stay away from that, especially if you're someone who wants to become profitable. I mean, you're struggling with it, and it's your main goal, and you've been struggling a lot, have been wasting a lot of time. I think, and you do those things where you go out, you drink, you smoke, I think if you really want to become profitable, you got to cut that stuff out, guys. So, me, I barely drink, but the reason when I went out today is because I'm not at my own place, guys. I'm at my parents' house. For the holidays and everything. So I live in the city downtown, but I'm currently in the suburbs. So I'm here. I'm really in this area. I grew up here, so I have friends call me, hit me up if I want to go out. So I rarely see these people. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go. I also, but I was getting influenced to stay out, and I was like, no, you know what, I'm going home. I need to wake up early, and I need to trade. And yeah, I got home pretty early, not that late, but at the same time, I got home drunk, went to sleep drunk, so I didn't wake up at 100%. And it obviously, I can tell, guys, it definitely affects my trading. Because look, every day we've been doing really good, and then today I just missed out on so many opportunities, didn't follow my plan, wasn't thinking straight. So yeah, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna be making a lot of these videos to show you the reality of trading and what it really takes to become a profitable trader. I literally just called out a lot of these trades and just didn't take them, guys. Like I said, not 100% there, and it's because of the drinking. So if you guys want to become profitable, guys, stop drinking, stop smoking, stop going out with hanging out with girls, stop letting people influence you, and just lock in, guys. Just lock in. All right, guys. So I did have this level of support here marked up here, and it looks like we're actually might be bouncing off it. So the reason why I think it's a level of support, if we go on the 1 hour, guys, it's literally the top of this bullish move here, but we still also have an imbalance that we can get failed here. So an imbalance in the market right here. So I think if we can potentially go all the way down here if we do not reject off this level here. But it might. If we start pulling above the 9 and the 21, and then we start seeing the 9 and the 9 crossing over 21, guys, I'm going to look to go long, but this thing can easily continue dropping down these levels right here. This one right here, I got to pull it out a little more here. Yeah, guys, imbalance fill right here. So if we break below this level, guys, we can easily go down here. But look, huge rejection off that support, that hourly support. So we might get a push back up here, and if we do, guys, I am gonna go long. Keep you guys updated. All right, guys, I decided to step away from the market. This thing is, dude, I missed out on the craziest trade of my life, to be honest, guys, and I'm just so mad. It's because I went out and drank, guys, woke up late. Like I said, if you guys want to lock in trading, you guys want to be successful, you got to get rid of all the vices, guys. I am so mad at myself for missing out on these crazy move, guys. When I literally called out, I called this out, guys. I was literally trying to go short because it broke. Want to look for a break below the VWAP here. Obviously broke below the VWAP, and this thing is literally not stopping, guys. This thing just dropped 400 points from there, and at this point, guys, I don't even want to trade because I'm trying to trade my other accounts on trading on Project X, and the fact that the market's so volatile, I'm in a position and it's not letting me modify the stop loss, modify the TP, and it's not letting me close a trade. It keeps saying position not found. So I'm not even gonna try to risk getting into a trade on Tradovate because, like, dude, Tradovate has issues with like those type of issues too, where I'm not even gonna risk my account. I'm not even gonna risk trying to get in a trade on this account because of how volatile the market is. So I'm stepping away. This is a super short video for today, guys, but you know, I've been doing so good, and it's no point of throwing it all away on a day like this. Like, anything can happen after this huge move, guys. A lot of news today. NFPs are usually on Fridays. For some reason, it was on Thursday, and it's honestly because of the federal shutdown. We missed out on, I think, 1 or 2 NFPs so far. So, you know, the government has to catch up. So I think they launched more data today than they usually do, like a lot of important data, and this is why the market is going insane. So, yeah, I'm stepping away, guys. I'm done for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, we can get a good opportunity tomorrow, and hopefully we can get funded this week. $800 away, guys, or 7. Yeah, around 750. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, guys.